we go here. We are live on Twitch, and let's check YouTube as well. Okay, it is also live here, which is nice. I need to check my yes. Oh, apply. Okay, go away. This stays here. We put this one here. I have my project open here. My chat GPT here. Nice. So today we are gonna try to have some capability to test the data structure we have built. So that is the main objective today. I wanna get this one. What's happening? Okay. I wanna make this full screen. Yes. Okay. So this is my notes as always. This is my chat GPT and this is my project. Nice. So I need to do this t.maxfps60. For some reason I need to do it every time. I couldn't figure out how to make it permanent. Sure. Okay. View changes. Okay. Cool. So how do we do this? Now you have implemented the logic to buy resource and hire mercenary. Yes, indeed we did. Create UI elements for testing. We can create a new widget blueprint. So now we are here. Let's I'm not using this anymore, I think. Yes. And we are gonna probably remove this as well. So we have our player. Anyway. New widget blueprint. Web test UI. Okay, let's do it. Widget blueprint. Okay. User interface. Ah, okay. Widget blueprint. Let's call it user widget VB test UI. I don't know. Ah, okay. Add UI components. Open VB test UI. Add a button. Okay. Open. So we add a button here. Do I drag and drop like that? Where is my, okay, so buy, let's say buy wheat. Oh, since I am looking at this resource lookup, I need to change these. Yeah. Okay, interesting. So there is no rename. Interesting. Okay. Cost is 100, starting value 40. Okay, never mind. Looks like it is case insensitive, which is okay. Yeah. Everything is fine. So this is buy wheat, and I'm guessing when we say on click, we do something here. Add a text block on the button. Okay. How do I go to the graph designer? Ah, there we go. Add a text block onto the button. Make it buy wheat. Where is it? Text. Okay, nice. Why not? Why not? Compile. Compile's fine. Okay, we can do the same for hiring mercenaries. How do you add another button? Widgets can't have children. Huh. Interesting. Wait. Interesting. Okay. So this button is button by width. This button is button by hire mercenary. Sure. And now add a text to this one. And add text to this one. This is text by width. Hire mercenary. And then, hey Dan, welcome. Thank you for the raid and welcome raiders. Hello, hello. Nice of you to join us. Join me. I am trying to test my what I built so far. Basically, I just built a data structure and simple functions to update the state. Hey, thank you. Nice, nice. So you are here, you are in for a treat of me struggling to make this all work. So by width, let's call this like that, and this is hire mercenary. Did I talk about the game? I'm not sure. So basically, to give everyone a bit of context, I'm trying to make a very, I hope, a very simple game. It is a fast-paced, turn-based, roll the die game. Outcomes are determined by the roll of the die. You get very quick resolutions. There's a bit of resource management and a lot of luck. So this is kind of the elevator pitch. Basically, it will be a static cam, top-down 3D view. No movement, no player controls, whatever. You will see the entire battle map, kind of teamfight tactics. You know, you are looking from the top view, and then it will be kind of split screen, 2 players. It will be PvP, 2 players. They will have some resources, similar to what you have in Catan. You will be able to spend resources to build attack or defense infrastructure, or you can buy these stuff. There will be 2 phases of the game: preparation phase and the, let's say, prep stage and raid stage. So during prep you will spend your resources and buy these stuff or hire mercenaries, and during the raid players will alternate between attack and defend. So basically it will be until a player loses all the soldiers they have, and the outcomes will be defined by the roll of the die. So I'm just trying to build let's say, I don't want to jinx it, but I want to build a simple thing. So the main objective is to learn the tool, learn Unreal. I've created all the data structures, how to say it, I thought about all the data I need and all the interactions, all the state update functions that I need. So I just created this list and I'm going over it now. I am also asking ChatGPT to guide me through the through this work. So because Unreal is the UI is very complicated. The tool is very capable, has a lot of like, it is super mature, super powered, but it is also impossible to find anything. So I'm just using ChatGPT to help me along the way. So with that said, welcome again. And oh yeah, now what I did is I built this player blueprint which has all the properties it needs, and then I created basic functions to buy resource and hire a mercenary, which are, so basically when it is invoked, finds the correct resource and check if the player has enough gold. If player has enough gold, spends the gold and updates the inventory and adds the resource. And similar, the same thing, almost the same thing we have here to get the mercenary. Yeah, for the data that we need, I have created these two basically tables for resource. We have wheat and ore for now, two resources. They have cost and starting amounts. And then for the mercenaries, we have two different bands of mercenaries, Sons of Ragnar and Queen Lagertha's sisters. So I'm just now going to create a UI for the player to, you know, get these into their inventory. So now we have a very simple widget. I am sure we can put this into the scene. How do we put it into the scene? I don't know. We will learn. Okay, never mind. So let's go continue. Let's continue. We added the buttons. Now we are gonna do on-click events for these two buttons. Let's go. Let's do that. So for this one, I'm gonna do the, where is it? No, button. Yes, on-clicked is here. This is done. And also we want, for the mercenary also we want the clicked. Okay. So when we have on-clicked, we want to, what? Let's see. Let's see. get the player, yes, and we invoke the players by resource method. Yeah, okay. So this is pretty straightforward. We will get BP get actor of class BP player, and this makes a cast, right? Get player character. Ah, okay. Is there a get player character? I think there is a bit of outdated information on ChatGPT. Okay, never mind. I think this is the right way. So we get the actor of class, which is a BP player, and then by resource, we can call by resource here, and resource name is going to be wheat, and then let's debug print string this is the end of button click wheat purchased. Let's call it something like that. Button wheat purchase. Duration 5 seconds. Why not? Okay, we do the same here. This is not hire mercenary. Mercenary name, let's pick up one of them. Yeah. Hire merc. Okay. So now how do I add this to the scene? Do I get cast to BP player? Uh-huh. I remember that cast to get so actor all animation audio camera too many cast to We don't need cast2 because this is the same BP player, this is the same BP player. So I don't think we need this. Get actor of class. This assumes there is an actor of class. Finds the actor in the world of the specified class. Yeah. Find by class. Find actor. I think it is, yeah. Get all actors of class. Never mind. Okay. I'm gonna stick to this. Okay, how do I put this onto the scene? Hire mercenary. This blueprint. Wait, what? Ah. Nice. Okay. Display the widget in the game. Open BP player. Go to the event graph. Begin play. Drag out and use create widget. Oh, okay. Let's go to the BP player event graph. So from begin play, widget, create widget. Really? I don't think there is a create widget. Ah, there is. Okay. So we create a widget. It is VB test UI. Ah, so. Add to viewport. Add to viewport. Adds it to the game's viewport and fills the entire screen. Okay. Why not? I think this should be fine. And I have BB player here. So when oh, there it is. So if we check, do I have enough gold? I don't know. I have my BB player here. I have 100 gold. In my inventory I have 40 wheat. So let's try to buy wheat. I have 41 wheat and 0 gold. Nice, it worked. If I try to purchase again, it didn't purchase, but the click is happened. Okay, this is nice. So this worked. If I hire a mercenary, it didn't work because of what? So let's try to find it. Stop. Okay, BP player. We have our mercenary list here. Oh, because I don't expose it. So let's try again and see if it works actually. BP player. I have my mercenary list which has 0 elements in it, and when I hire, nothing happens. Because of what? Let's see. Hire a mercenary. Oh, because probably I don't have enough gold for it. Mercenary, Sons of Ragnar costs 150. So let's give my player a lot of gold. Like 10,000 gold, why not? Okay. So, hire the mercenary. Now I have, nice. I have Sons of Ragnar, which brought 50 players, 50 soldiers. And gold is deducted. And I can buy wheat. Gold is deducted. Gold is being deducted and wheat is increased. Nice. So everything is working. Okay. I'm happy. Now we can go back to launch the game and test. Yes, we did that. Not enough gold, yeah. Now we need like visual indications, early not early returns, but we need alternative routes for the algorithm as well, but that's fine. Nice, everything worked. Let's continue. Yes, buying and hiring mechanics in place and successfully tested. Yes, we can move on to the next part of the game. Depending on your focus, what you want to do next. Implement trade mechanics, build preparation phase, user interface. Yeah, we can go with user interface. Implement turn-based game logic. Let's continue. Oh, okay. So it wants me to do the raid mechanics. But before that, I want to do the infrastructure thing as well. So let's do that. We can change the values, so kind of the game balance, but for now I want to add the remaining things here. So we have wheat 100 and starting amount, yeah, why not, or 150. So let's call this 150. Add a new row for bricks. Name is bricks. Cost is 150. Starting amount 40. Let's make everything work. Start with 40. Yeah, why not? Why 40? I have no idea. And this is wood. Cost is 120. Start with 40 of them. Sure. Sheep. I took the resources directly from Catan. This is a game I made up just on the spot and played it with my son. So one day he was very bored and he wanted to play more video games, and I didn't want him to do that for obvious reasons, less screen time or regulated screen time, whatever. And then I told him, okay, let's play another game, like on paper, with pen and paper, and how is it going to be? And he had these Catan dices, so I just told him, okay, let's bring your dice, let's bring the d6 dices. So we are just gonna roll some d6s and then some resource die, and then each turn we alternate, and you will steal my resources, I will steal your resources, and then we will have some amount of people and they will die, and eventually one of us will be out of soldiers to go raid the other, and then this will be the game. So basically we just randomly, like in a very fast pace, roll the dice and get the result or something like that, and it was very fun. So I told him that we can make this a video game, and he just immediately bought the idea. So yeah, and now he's very excited. He's asking me every day, did you do something, did you made something? So I need to make this even just for him. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, we did this, and let's just add a couple more before we begin this. Can you give me some data for mercenaries? So far I have 2. I am attaching the screenshot. Give me some more. Nice. So let's put this here. If only I can import. Can you give this to me in JSON and add the descriptions to the table as well? Also add the ones I have in the picture. Nice. Look at this. Let's put this in a JSON. Can just get this here. Come on. text file. Yeah. Wait, what happened there? Nice. Ooh. Okay. Merc.json. Why not? Go here. Home. Move it here. Let's go. Cannot be found. Wait, what? Ah. Okay, no. Oh shit. Wait. I need another. Wait. Merc definition. Add variable and let's call it description. Description. Yes. So string. Yes. And now, yes, now I have this. So reimport. Okay. Now we got these. Very cool. Night Wolves. 180 gives you 55 soldiers. Swift and stealthy mercenaries. The Night Wolves are experts in surprise attacks, ideal for fast raid. You know what? They should also have some attack modifiers and defense modifiers. Oh yes. But I'm moving ahead of myself. Where is it? Infrastructure. Attack point, defense point. What are these? Oh, I see. Yeah, we can extend that easily. Let's not complicate things for now. But this is cool. So we have a lot of merc bands now. Golden Axe, Frostborn, Crimson Marauders, Thunder Legion, Blood Brothers, Valkyrie Vanguard, Night Wolves, Raven Guard, Shield Maiden Brigade, Iron Fist. Love it. Cool. Yeah, nice. Hello, Gregorio. Oh, you redeemed Pixelate. It doesn't work because I broke the what do you call it? The connection to OBS. So since this is broken, you cannot make it work. But if you would be able to, it was going to look like I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you manually. I'm gonna give you the redeem manually. So it should filters, not this one. Was it here? Nope. Was it here? No. I'm gonna go back here. Background filters. No, not the background. Cam frame. I can't find it. Let me find it. Pixelate. Yeah. So basically this was pixelate stream, so it was going to make it like this. Yes, so this was going to be the effect. But now the redeems are broken. Yeah, but I will fix it definitely. Let me find it. Where is it? Then I have this pixelate my head or something. It should work somehow, but I think some things are broken. I recently formatted my computer and everything is broken. So yeah. Anyway, so let's what was I doing? I lose track of my work. Okay, we added mercenaries on. Yes, so we are gonna do the infrastructure, the same thing. Okay, so let's just do the same for infrastructure. So first I need a data struct. What was it called? I don't remember. Let's call table struct. No. Data. What is this? Structure. Yes. Structure. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. So we are gonna call this infrastructure. Okay. Structure definition. So this is basically a schema, and then with this schema we create a table as for the static data, which I think it is cool. The only thing I would expect is, so for example, I want to be able to also use this like a class and have like methods in it. But maybe we can do it with a blueprint class, but then this needs to be instantiated, which I don't want because it's static. I want it to be available all the time, not only while it's running. So that is an issue for me. But anyway, I don't know. I'm still learning. Maybe there's a way, and I don't know it yet. So we are gonna make a data table. Pick the structure for this data table as infrastructure definition. Okay, we are gonna call it DT infrastructure lookup. Yeah, let's follow the convention. So we can ask ChatGPT again. Yeah, why not? So infrastructure definition, what do we need? It should have a name. It's a string. It should have a cost, which is an integer. It should have type. which is a string. Probably there are also enums. I can go crazy and have enums as well, but again, not now, later. So they will cost not gold, but cost wheat. Yeah, I should do it like this. Cost or integer. Cost bricks. Cost sheep. Cost wood. I don't know if there's a better way to do this, but for now I'm gonna stick to this. Wheat or bricks, sheep, wood. Okay, that works. Then type, then attack, attack let's call it additional attack points. I don't know, let's call it just attack points. Then this is defense points. Yeah, and then we should have attack modifier. Let's call it attack multiplier. Make it a float. And then let's call this defense multiplier. Yeah. So I'm gonna give this to ChatGPT. Before the next step, I want to also finish infrastructure implementation. Infrastructures and by infra implementation. It is Med TV. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you joined, and I hope you enjoy the show. I guess. So I'm gonna say this is the lookup table for infrastructures, same as Mercs. Give me some awesome infrastructures. Infrastructures. Make it interesting. Like some of them may have positive attack modifiers but have penalties for defense. Also, let's add a description and let's give this one. Make interesting descriptions. Infrastructure. I think infrastructure can be walls, buildings, like what can we call, like trebuchet, whatever. Trebuchet is too much. Burning barrels, etc. Make awesome infra for me. So it gave me a stone wall. Doesn't cost wheat or bricks, sheep, wood. Flaming arrow turret. Costs wheat. Barricade with spikes. Watchtower. Burning barrels. They don't really cost wheat or sheep. Do you notice that? Reinforced gate, ballista, test attack, and I don't see negative points. Really? Okay. Consider constructing. Hey, it's Matt TV gifted
1 subscriptions to the community.
That is very nice. That is very nice of you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I am not used to these events, so yeah. Thank you. Really appreciate it. It made my day. Thank you. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to consider construction times and like man hours required, and as a result of that spend some wheat and sheep for the sustenance. Sustenance. How do you spell that? Sustenance. Yeah. And one more thing. Please introduce some negative penalty for some infrastructure to make the choice more strategic. Purchasing an infrastructure for attack maybe gives some negative modifiers for defense. Think about it and also give a reason for the negative in the description. Thank you very much. Thank you. Much appreciated. So, building a stone wall costs sheep now, which is fine. Gives a lot of defense. Let's see if we see a negative value anywhere. For some reason, it is still missing the negative values. It doesn't give me Flaming arrow tarot. Where is it? I don't understand. Am I not making it clear? Maybe I'm not okay. Okay. Drop the new fields and add wheat and sheep sustenance cost to cost wheat and cost sheep. Stick to the schema I gave. Okay, this is better. Okay, whatever. Let's put it. Let's put it. So we are gonna call this infra.json. Move it to desktop, and then come here. Save it. Save it. Okay, save it. Yes. Import from infra.json. Nice. So, what happened? Why did we lose the description? Is it because I forgot to change the type of the description? Description is, of course, it should be a string. Okay, re-import. Now it's fine. Cool. So now we have this. Let's go to player. Here we are gonna, honestly, we are gonna drop this. We are gonna go to can we rename this? I'm gonna rename inventory mercenaries. Yeah. So I'm gonna add a infrastructure data table. Yes. And this is a data table object reference. This is only for inventory. I don't need to do default value. I can compile and then I can select it now. Infrastructure, yes, compile. Now we are gonna add another variable here, infrastructures, mercenaries infrastructures, yes. And then this is going to be a map of string to wait. Uh-huh. Okay, interesting point. Let's see. Let's see what it tells me. Okay, can I make it? Now I see how to do it. I think I need this. Okay, let me try. Type attack points defense points defense multiplier okay. Name string, these are float. Cost is integer. But there is no cost really. So we can drop this. I'm gonna, no. I'm gonna drop this. Type is a string. Attack points is integer, defense points is integer, new var is deleted, attack defense, okay, this should be fine. I'm just gonna expose these for now. Okay, so if we go back to BP player, if we say this is mapping to string to BP infra, no, wrong variable. BP infra, yes. Okay, so this is going to be different. If I can make this work, I'm gonna go and convert the other ones as well. Probably. Maybe not the inventory, but the other ones. The mercenaries. Yeah. I still have time. Okay, let's check this. So basically I'm gonna duplicate this and we are gonna make this by infrastructure. This is bullshit. S by infrastructure. Okay, so we are here now. We should get infrastructure name as a string, and this should be get data table row. Yeah, from infrastructure lookup. Yes. Row name goes here, and then since we get this outro, can I you see we get this entire thing, and then can I create a BP infrastructure, cast to BP infrastructure? Can I do this? Okay, never mind. Can I put this here? No. Object wildcard. This is table row. Cast to. No, I cannot cast it. Let's ask, can I cast a table row to an object like BP infrastructure? I have same properties, column names. Okay, I need to break the struct. So we are gonna break. Now I have everything. Yes. Create an instance. Spawn actor from class. Use spawn actor from class. Okay. Spawn actor from class. Class is BP infra. It is not an actor. Okay. Can I convert this to an actor? Creator. Vision. No, I made this an object. So can I change the type? Class settings, actor. I want to change this type. Come on. Let me do it. Let me do it. Export, migrate. Edit. No. I'm so angry at myself. Can I change the class of a BP I already created? I created BP infrastructure as an object. Can I make it an actor, whatever? Convert, okay. Okay. Let's make it an actor BP structure actor, yes, and then come here. How do I copy? Select the components variables. How? Come on. I can do this already. This is how lazy I am. Okay. Why not? Okay, now I should be able to go to my BP player. Class should be BP infrastructure actor, yes. So I'm gonna delete this. Where is it referenced? I don't understand. I think it is safe. I'm gonna delete this. Force delete. Ooh. I wasn't expecting that. Sure. Restore. Okay, you cannot restore. Shit. I wonder how much did we lose. Oh, we lost a lot. Shit. Where do I reference to it? I don't think so. This is unfortunate. At least do I have the method here by infrastructure? Yes, it is here. Anyway, we didn't lose so much. Let's continue. Actor, do the same. But this is not cool. So I will open this here. I'm gonna go here. Wait, where is the... What's happening? What? Where is the components? What is it? You know what? Something definitely broken. Okay, never mind. We're gonna put this here. We are gonna do it. Okay. Name, type, ice, skip costs, attack points, defense points. Description, yes. String, string, int, float, and string. Save everything. Delete this mofo. Don't go away. Nice. I'm gonna make this infrastructure. Yes. And then get in here. And now, if this infrastructures BP infra, that was the place. Okay. So now I can break this. And then we can get actor spawn actor from class. The class is pp infrastructure. I don't need a transform, whatever. What? No. What? Set multiple set nodes. Oh shit. Oh, these. Okay, these are the I mean, sure, but doesn't it like stupid? Can I make a new variable of a set of string? What is this? Nah. These stuff doesn't I don't like. I wanna just set everything like immediately. I just wanna feed these in like a constructor. Oh, wait. I can have a constructor. Yes, let's go there. Why don't you suggest that? So let's go to BP infrastructure. We can say, I don't think this takes any inputs. No, okay. So we can create a function. Create on player purchase. Yeah. So it will have inputs. I mean, this is too much work, but yeah, why not? Type attack points. If only there was a key for this. Defense points. I need to go here and click attack multiplier. Defense multiplier. At least help me like put the focus onto the input. So name is a string, type is a string, attack points is an integer, float and string. Nice. So when this happens, set this looks stupid. What was it? Defense points. Set attack multiplier, set defense multiplier, and then set description. So take this. There's a shortcut to auto arrange these stuff, but I don't know them. So name, set type, set attack points, set defense points. Probably in code this should look very simple, but with the blueprints it looks kind of silly, but also I like it. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so now we have this. We can compile, go to player, and then here when we can call create. Where is it? Create on player purchase. There we go. And then what we can do is, let's just get these together like that. So name, we skip costs, type, attack, defense. Nice. Okay, so this should work. I hope so. This is find the correct infra, create a container for it, and yeah, why not? So now we have this local variable. Is there a I have no idea, maybe it would break, so I'm just gonna put this here. And anyway, what? Yep. I will also do this. So set a local variable. Nice. I think that's okay. Can I move these? Yes. So now we do this. Okay, very cool. I'm happy. I think this should work. Yes. Oh, you know what? I need to backup. So I need these cost values as well. Yeah, unfortunately, not unfortunately, it is just stuff. So I need cost width, which is an integer, cost or cost bricks, cost wood. I am certain, I'm almost certain that this would take less time in C++ in code. Okay, so then this should also have single integer cost width cost or cost bricks cost sheep cost wood. Yes, so we should move just move these because I want everything to look nice and tidy. So now we're gonna move everything like this, break this, anyway we're gonna set width like that. We are gonna set or like that. Bricks like that. We need these execution lines, so we are gonna get the sheep and then the wood and then the rest. Okay, then compile. We got compile. We have compiled, and here I need to get the wheat or bricks, sheep and wood. Nice and easy. Nice, and then we can compile, which is fine. So now we are gonna check this. So this is going to be a nice check because we are gonna get our inventory. This is what is going to happen. So we are gonna now why did I hesitated is because of this, or probably I need some. Is there a loop? No, because this is a map. Maybe I don't need the inventory, I need singular values, because this doesn't provide me anything. don't like it. Maybe I should make a resource blueprint as well. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop here because I think my brain started to melt a bit and I need to go to the bathroom, like urgently. So I'm gonna stop here and I will be back tomorrow. Let me see. We might have people that I need to honor. So if there are, I can't seem to open my, there we go. So I'm gonna find someone to raid and then we are gonna raid someone. Where should we raid? Where should we raid? Any ideas? Let's go. I think he just started. Yeah, let's go there. So I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna raid. And then we are gonna do this and we will be back here tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the raid then. Thanks raiders for joining, and it's Med TV for the gift sub. Awesome, appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care and goodbye.